The Jhelum River. The Jhelum River is one of the 6 rivers that flow through Pakistan. It is located in the northern part of the country and is the largest river in the Kashmir region. The Jhelum River is fed by various tributaries, including the Poonch, Kunhar, and Neelam rivers. The river originates from a spring in Vernag, Jammu and Kashmir and flows through the Vale of Kashmir before emptying into the Indus River near Muzaffarabad. The Jhelum River is an important source of water for irrigation and has been used for transportation since ancient times. The Mughal Emperor Akbar had a canal built to connect the river with Lahore. In recent years, the river has become polluted due to the discharge of industrial effluents and sewage into it.